dumplings again today. Whenever I don't feel like having rice, I always enjoy having dumpling soup instead. Any friends out there who love eating this way too?
The filling recipe has already been shared before, so let's quickly recap it today. The filling is totally up to you, just put in whatever you like best. The most important thing is that you enjoy it, right? Ingredients: gyoza wrapper, mushroom stems, carrot, soy flakes. You can buy mushroom stems at a vegetarian food store. Just rinse them first, then soak them in boiling water until they soften. Soaked shiitake mushrooms may contain impurities. After filtering, set the water aside. It's great for stir-frying and enhances the flavor. Peel and finely dice the carrots, then set aside. Adding carrots not only enhances the color, but also boosts the nutritional value and adds a sweet, fresh flavor. Stir-fry the soybean pulp until fragrant, or air-fry it until crispy. This helps it absorb flavors better. Toss in diced carrot and mushroom stems. Now, seasoning to taste. Pour in the soaked shiitake water or plain water, then simmer until the mushroom stems and soybean pulp are fully softened and cooked through. The soybean pulp will absorb the broth and develop a texture just like minced plant-based meat. And just like that, a simple yet super appetizing plant-based mushroom meat sauce is ready. Plate it up and enjoy. Once the mushroom sauce has cooled, we can start wrapping the dumplings. Place the dumpling wrapper flat, add a suitable amount of mushroom filling, and then fold it into your favorite shape. Fold the dumpling in half and press the edges firmly together, just like this, to seal it. The process of wrapping dumplings is so therapeutic. Seeing each neatly folded dumpling lined up brings a real sense of satisfaction. Prepare a pot of broth, drop in the dumplings, and once they're cooked, it's time to eat. You'll know the dumplings are cooked when they all float to the top, the wrappers turn plump and slightly translucent, and they spring back gently when you press them with a spoon. Plump, steaming hot dumplings are simply the best. Enjoying them in a clear broth offers a different experience compared to the style of red au wontons. I wonder which way everyone prefers. Drizzling a little sesame all over them just before eating makes them even more fragrant and delicious. Vegetarian dumplings can be incredibly delicious, and they offer a lighter, less greasy feeling than meat fillings, making them seem like a healthier choice. I prefer using gyoza wrappers. I find their texture superior, thinner, and delightfully chewy. A bite of these vegetarian mushroom meat sauce dumplings first delivers a smooth, chewy wrapper, followed by a rich, savory aroma bursting in your mouth. The mushrooms offer a substantial chew and deep umami flavor, while the plant-based meat sauce gives a satisfying fullness without any greasiness. The fermented bean paste and soy sauce create a complex, layered saltiness that makes the overall flavor incredibly delicious and satisfying, leaving you feeling comfortably full without any heaviness. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. By the way, If you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.